Hello, in this video, I will show how to demonstrate you how to link the 4G cloud router by the Wi-Fi function. This is a new function by the model DX3021L9. So the idea is we have the Wi-Fi, maybe just a hotspot from the mobile phone, and share the Wi-Fi to this device, and there's a USB port. We can use the Wi-Fi dongle into this USB port. So this router will link to the internet. And then for the local LAN port, we will link to some device. For example, it's a PLC, and to generate some data from PLC, so we can see the data from the PLC and then go through the Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi to the cloud. And here you can see this device. So first one is the router, the 4G router, and this is the USB port. And then adding to the USB dongle, you can buy this from market very easily. And here's some port. I use this one to connect with my laptop to the configuration. And the purpose one I link to the PLC, which is the Delta PLC AS series. So later on, I will show, I change the value here, change the indicator here, and then the cloud will receive the data change. Okay, so let's start. First, we have to open the software, the DIA device. You can download from the Delta website for free. And then make sure your laptop linked to the device first by the cable, and then we detect. Okay, and password is same as the username admin. Okay, this is I already finished the configuration, but if your first time logging, you will see the internet is not linked, and also the cloud not find with your device. So it's okay. We can follow my step. So first we will open the device page, and then we will jump to this page. Okay, and then we key in the same password, username, and the password admin. This is the configuration interface for the router. And first thing we have to do to set up the Wi-Fi configurations. So we go to the VLAN setting and change the working mode to station, and then press the scan. And then just few a second, we will see all the available Wi-Fi network in your area. Only available, only support the 2.4 gigahertz only. And okay, and if first time use, maybe they will pop up some failure information. Just try again to push the button scan, and then you will see all the available Wi-Fi network in your area. So here I use the iPhone for sharing the Wi-Fi. So, and then you have to key in the password here, key in the password, and everything done. You just save and click, and then go to the connections, and then change the primary connection to the VLAN, and then you have to save. Just save. This may take like 1 minute, so you have to be patient. Okay. And after that, you will go to the network status, and you will check the status linking or not. If already linked to the the Wi-Fi, you will see the VLAN, the IP address already set deployed. So that means the connection to the cloud right now is okay. And next step, you have to build up a connection with the PLC. Here, I use the Modbus TCP, the client server and client mode, and then modify the data mapping from the PLC. Here, I use the ASPLC and select XYZ, XY, M register and the D register. For example, here's the internal register from in the router. And of course, you have to set the PLC IP address and change the scan interval time. And one more thing, we have to display the register from the cloud. So here, put the add button, and to add the register showing on the cloud. If you want to keep the history data, you can select the keep the history data. If no need, just ignore it. And okay, and this is all the configuration settings for the router. And next time we go to the DIA cloud and log in your account and password. Okay, and then here we'll show the online device here. And if you go to the register, it will show all the register. So here, let me do some real linking for your reference. So right now I'm already online for the PLC. Right now it's running. I can stop. I can stop back to check the status. Okay. So this is right now I reset again the PLC. So you see all the value is returned to 0. So if I refresh here, okay, you can see this is all the default value. So I will first try the maybe change the Y output status, and then we refresh here. You will see actually I'm mapping this one to the M2, so you will see the value will change. And also we can change the value from the cloud. So if I change to 0, you will see the status here. Oh, sorry, I forgot this one. I set up the type is read only, so it's okay. Let's try another one, the M0. So let's refresh here. You will see this one, M4 is mapping to the M0. So this one I set up the read and write type. So if I change to 0, okay, you will see from the PLC side, the status back to 0. So what if I change back again? It will set up. So let's try the word again. If I give the D0 is a value like 23. For the router, I link to the $2048. So let's see. Okay, right now the value already changed, right? So I refresh here, you will see the value change. Of course, we can write from the cloud side, maybe 987. You can see if I press the button C, it will change immediately. Okay, so here's the video to show you how to use the cloud router, the new model DX3021L9.